talked about earlier. So going into the hourly chart, it's obvious that right now the currency is in a range pattern and has all the characteristic of range pattern or consolidation. I'm going to take the triangle out so we can see a bit better here. Oh, actually that was the wrong one. So the range on the hourly chart right now is about 110 pip, 111. The dotted line is the middle of the range, which usually act as support and resistance. What we can see right now is that the currency is creating a higher low, trying to break that trend dragon trend line right here. I'm gonna draw it. Okay. So in the next couple of hours, if it breaks it, it should actually try to go to the next one, which is about 24 pip, which is also the opening of the day, which act as a level of resistance or support as well. So right now for today, we can see, I think that the currency may actually try to go here, maybe retrace down and try to break, possibly break that level. That's one option. The other option is, of course, to go back up and then return down to the lower band, following the range and potentially break it. Considering that there is a continuation pattern on the daily chart, if he breaks it, he should actually go have another day going down after that. Should happen, if it does happen, it may actually happen tomorrow, today or tomorrow. So we have to look at that. The play on the hourly, when you look at the hourly, the upside is a bit difficult because we have that period of consolidation here or ranging here, which is always a bit difficult to trade. And we also have, if it breaks it, then it's gonna go into that area here, that sort of overlap a little bit, which is basically another area of consolidation. So based on that, what we want to look if it breaks that level is to actually have another period of consolidation here, which would do or create a reversal pattern if it breaks up as an extended reverse head and shoulder. So here, one thing to point out is that the currency have done a sort of a ugly double bottom, going back up here to objective, and is now actually retracing down. So two things in price action is that this could be a it did up, down, up, potentially creating a lower high, which in this case at that level here it would try to break the level here, and then if that happens, then it's going to try to break the range down. The opposite is true, where the currency went up, down, and trying to go back up to break that level here, creating 1, 2 higher low to create a second higher high. If it does that, then comes back down here, and then goes back up and create a trend. So consequently, there are two levels to look at. There's this level to look at, and this level to look out and see how the currency is building up to break either one of those. That would be very easy because the way that it is configured, either there is a build-up on the upside here, or there is a build-up on the downside as well. As you can see, it almost creates also a bit of a triangle, which is a continuation pattern, considering that the range, the long-term trend is down. If it breaks that level here, it would be a stronger move as compared to up. So we're still going down so far, though we have to be aware of that level of consolidation. So this here and here and here, those are important level to look for in the move. So if it breaks on the upside, that would basically could still be a consolidation or a technical retracement to the upside, which in this case you have two choices. If it breaks that level, you can play it up, going up into playing the technical rally, thinking that it may actually go up. There is, as we said earlier, there's about 400 pip up, room to go 400 pip up before going back down again. And if it breaks this level here, that would be basically a breakdown from a consolidation pattern flag on the daily chart, which would be very significant. And then if it breaks that level, you could certainly expect the currency to go down further from that point. So if you want to look into trading opportunities, the first thing that you would be wanting to look into is retracement here, breaking up here, retrace again, and then going back up. Or you would want, if it does that, then it would be a good sign for the upside. On the other hand, if it does this here, breaks that level here, then retrace, and then goes back down, goes back down again. So that's it for the euro for now, and hopefully I can do another one tomorrow to see how things played out. Send me a text if you have any questions.